This tutorial details how to modify the Google Assistant language settings. Begin by accessing the Google app on your smart device, ensuring you're logged in. Locate your profile icon in the upper right corner of the home page and select it. Next, navigate to the Settings option within the ensuing drop-down menu. On the subsequent page, find and select the Google Assistant option. Locate the language setting on the next page and select it. Here, you'll find the currently selected language. Select it to view a list of available languages. Choose your preferred language. Google Assistant will automatically update and subsequently respond in the selected language. The language change is now complete.